To update your Sony WF-1000XM6 earphones, all you need to do is simply open up the Sony Connect app on your phone. And then from here, you're going to select your buds and you're going to scroll down and select device settings. Then scroll and find the option system and select it. And then look through the different options until you find update software. Go ahead and select it. And then all you need to do is tap on update status. And if you have any available updates, it will then guide you through the process of updating your earbuds. However, if there's no updates available, it will tell you this is the latest version. Alternatively, you can also choose to enable auto update, and you can also choose to only download the updates when connected via Wi-Fi. This allows you to stop over consuming your mobile data while still ensuring that your earbuds stay up to date. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.